Hey, hi Gayatri. Hi Farida.
Yes, sir.
Hey, hello.
Okay. Meanwhile, people are joining, right? So, okay. You are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you tried with the list set and tuple and dictionary?
Yes, sir. He tried.
The things which are related to tuple and set and dictionary
Yes, sir.
in the Jupyter notebook which I shared with you. All those functions you tried?
Yes, sir.
Each and everyone or anyone didn't do.
I didn't do.
Big triple set actually.
Okay. Tuple set dictionary. No problem. You can do now. Who'll share the screen? So like if who already completed tuple and set and dictionary, different operations related to it.
Actually, I just did and entered everything in an Excel sheet, sir. For my reference, I have everything in Excel sheet.
Okay. Okay. Right. One second. I'll will already have that thing. You have this document, right? You have this Python file, right? Jupyter notebook.
Yes, sir.
See, these are the different operations you need to complete on the tuple.
Repeated, sir.
These are the different operations you need to complete on the set.
Only thing is
Tuple.
that comprehension is like
That discard and clear.
That is what I declared.
Yes, comprehension is nothing but we are, it's like a for loop.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
This
Because
comprehension will be there. I'll tell, I want to say like once we got the clarity on these things, we'll discuss those comprehensions. In a single line, we can able to write a program. It's somewhat logical. Okay, in dictionary, these are the different operations which we need to do.
yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
how much time you want to complete this thing for all of you? Triple set dictionary. Triple set dictionary. You need to create a complex triple, complex set, complex dictionary, and perform the operations: length, count, maximum, appending, sorting, updated, and indexing. How much time it will take for the people who didn't complete it? You're able to hear me
I
or
will
not?
do it over the weekend. I will do it over the weekend.
Over the weekend.
Discard and clear. I didn't try that, sir.
Discard and
Here, I didn't try that. It's just now actually. I checked all other things: update, insert, add, pop, remove, insert, everything. But this just now I checked this discard and clear. Insert data type. I didn't try that.
okay, sure.
So we have to only do these important functions, right? These mathematical operations also we have to do.
Which mathematical? Yes.
Oh, intersection, union, difference, symmetric difference.
Okay, see. So now today we'll discuss all the remaining functions in triple set dictionary. How you will create a triple? With help of
Round braces.
I created. How I am going to count, check the length with help of length
Length
function.
of length, yeah.
Okay. How I'll check the type
Type
with
of
help of
type of
type
type.
function. Okay.
Yeah.
With help of positive index, I can access
A of negative index.
negative index. And another thing, slicing.
Like
You
that.
kn- you
Yeah.
know, right? What is the meaning of slicing?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
now, is it clear up to now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know, Concatenation.
Yes, sir. We can use plus.
See, this is a concatenation. This is a repetition, is nothing but multiplication. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have all. I am creating A plus B. Now I am creating C. Okay. C dot count 1. What it mean? It will
How many
check
times?
how many times
How
1
many
is there
times?
in the tuple.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
C dot index of the exact number 8 index is 7. You know, if you use this function, it will give the index of the first index. Remember that thing.
No.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the sort function usage in list, right?
Sort, sort, C dot sort.
Sort in list.
Yeah.
But this is
We
not
tried
going
it.
to work. This
Work
is
in
not
this.
going to work in tuple.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
showing no attribute sort.
Sorted.
Sorted, and you need to give.
We need to give tuple as a input, and you'll get a list of elements that are sorted.
Yes, right. And if you want to give some specific arguments inside to the sorted function, you need to give reverse is equal to true. You will get a reverse one. Okay.
Okay.
Already C is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you want to find out the minimum. Maximum value in that. If 2 or 3 same equal values are considered as a maximum, means it will bring the first one as a thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I'll tell another interesting thing. Packing and unpacking. What is the meaning of packing? What's the meaning of packing? Combining different things. Unpacking means separating
Separating.
different things from one set or one particular place, right? See, now I'm creating A is equal to 10, B is equal to 34. So these are individual values, right? Now I am
Yes.
creating one tuple, the combination of all these values. Just see. Okay. I'm checking the type. Okay. This is called packing.
Okay.
Already I have a T. In T, 4 elements are there. Now, you know what I'm doing? T is equal to X comma Y, T comma Y comma G. I executed this thing. X is not defined. Okay, okay, see. Okay.
Yes.
Now what we are doing? All the values are in T. But what we are doing? We are bringing back to it.
Assigning
So
back values to the
we already
variables.
used 2 times. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
This is packing and unpacking. Okay, comprehension we will discuss in the conditional statements and iterative statements. Apart from that, now C.
Sir, is there any reason to take different variables here? X, T, Y, Z in unpacking?
Why? Because already I used it, right? I already used A, B, C, D. So that is the reason I'm taking.
Okay, like we cannot use them again.
I didn't get your point.
Like from different variables, we did packing and it's stored in one variable.
Ah.
And now we are again distributing them back. Like we are again giving values to different variables.
Yes.
Unpacking.
Because in practically it will be useful in some type of situations like a passwords and usernames maintenance and log maintenance and logs extraction and data extraction and assigning and such kind of things will be there. When we are dealing with the logs, we need to separate and we need to unpack and we need to create different variables for different things.
Okay, sir.
Set. How you are going to define a set with help of
Curly braces.
right. It is a set. Okay, but if you mention just empty curly braces, it is not a list. It's a dictionary. Why? Because dictionary also prepared with help of this thing only, right?
Yes, yeah, yes.
Okay. Okay. Length of 8, 6. Is it clear? Now see, if you enter duplicate values also, it will give only unique values. That is the nature of this set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Clear? Now, if you want to add one more element, add.
Don't add of.
Okay. What is the reason? What is the usefulness? Add
A
single
single
element.
element.
Okay. But if you want to add multiple sequence to your set,
Update.
Update.
okay. In update, what you need to give?
We have to give a sequence types like list, tuple, or pict.
Now see A, how it will be look like. Why? Because already these are there, right? In it. Okay. Difference between the add and update is it will add single instance, it will add multiple instances of one. Or
Sequence types. Can add sequence.
okay. You know the copy meaning? Copy or cloning. We already did for list and list.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are I need to explain. A is there. Okay.
Okay.
ID of A. See, this is ID of A. You know what I'm doing? B is equal to A dot copy. Now see, B also have the same elements.
ID will be different.
ID of B will be
So this
different.
is
If I did any change in B, nothing is going to happen in A. This is called pop. This is called copy. Okay. Now see, pop. What it will do? It will remove the element and it will display. For example, A is there.
Model.
This is the element. You're not able to give any number. Okay. It will defaultly take one number. If you provide any input now, it will give error. Just see. Remove and return an arbitrary set of element. Raises key error if the set is empty. Okay. For example, this is the case, right? B already empty set is there. B already assigned, right? Okay, okay. See, pop from an empty set. Like like other different data types, we are not able to create an empty set by using empty curly braces. Okay.
Okay.
What is the difference between remove and pop? What is the difference between remove and pop?
Remove till
We have
remove
to specify
the direct
From
element.
the specific item. So specific element we can remove when we're using the remove
Pop
function.
is based on index generally. Okay. For example, here I'm using the remove function. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Clear?
Sure.
Now see, I'm already removed 77, right? Once again, I'm executing this. What it is showing?
Showing an error.
Okay. Right. Key error. It is saying I didn't find 77. So once again, I'm showing this. Now I'm using discard for 88. I performed discard operation. It removed 88. Okay. Once again, I'm performing the same operation.
It will not throw an error.
It does not throw any error if that is not available in the particular sequence also. You understand the difference between discard
Yes, sure.
and remove?
Yes, sure.
Okay. And clear. Already we have a, right? If I want to delete a specific element, if I want to delete A, you know what will happen? A entire element is going to remove, but it's not like that. But it's not like that. Already B, for example, C, B in the B already elements are not there. Okay, I have a B. Now B dot clear means C. You understand? Clear will delete all the content inside to the data type. Okay,
I didn't get that, sir. What?
sorry.
I didn't get that, sir. Just now, what is the clear?
What are the elements inside to the B?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
If you use clear, it will remove all these elements. And what does it mean? This is an empty set. That is the
That's it.
result.
Okay.
Clear will remove the content, not remove the data type. It will completely clean the values inside to that particular data type.
Okay. Okay.
And sir, can you explain delete one more time? It's showing error.
Delete will remove the entire data type from the memory itself.
Okay.
So that is the reason after performing delete operation, if I called A, it is saying I don't know A. What it is A?
Mm.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You know what is the meaning of union?
Yes, sir.
What will do? Union means
There are two cells. It will is used to unite all the elements in both the sets.
okay. These are the two sets. Okay. Union means you need to combine all those elements. A dot
Union of
union B.
B.
Okay, and A. Okay, these are the two ways to represent union. Intersection means it will give the combined elements.
Common.
Okay, these are the two ways to represent union and intersection. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now see. You know what is the difference between what will happen if you subtract B from A? What will happen? All the elements which are not there in A, those only will be as a result.
Mm.
If you subtract B from A, the all the elements which are there in the B will vanish from the A. If you subtract A from B, then it will remove all the elements which are there in B and not in A.
Mm.
Don't be confused, just see. A is there, this is B is this, right?
Yes.
Okay, what are the common elements? What are the common elements? Just see that one.
5,
Remember
7,
those things. 5,
5,
7, 8,
7,
10,
10.
right? Now I am performing A minus B. In what are the elements? 5, 7, 8, 10, right? 5, 7, 8, 10. Already these elements in this also there. So those will clear. What are the remaining elements? 1, 3, 9. Only not there in the B. Okay?
Okay.
B minus A. See the result. 5, 7, 8, 10 will be vanished from here. So the result is 2, 4, 6, 11.
Mm.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know the membership operator?
In and not in.
And not in.
Yes, in and not in. Those are things related to a set. Dictionary? Anyone tried dictionary?
Yes, sir.
How we will create a dictionary?
Curly braces, key value and
And it's a combination of key and
key and
values.
value.
Okay, this is my dictionary. See this one. I'm finding the length. Length means each and every key value pair. 3 key value pairs are there, right?
Yes.
See now. Okay, I'm able to access keys individually, values individually, and key values individually. See, A dot
Keys of
keys. Okay, all the keys in the dictionary. All the values in the dictionary. If you
A dot item.
all the key value
Value
pairs
combination.
as a series one. How you are able to look into the dictionary. Each and every key value pair is in tuple. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how you will access a specific element from the dictionary?
Yes.
This is not an index. This is a key.
Yeah, it,
Okay. If you want to add a new element, just you need to give
Yeah,
10,
10 is
and if it is there, it value will be updated. If it is not there, it will be added into the
added.
dictionary. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, to there and what are the other dictionary functions? Clear is same, delete is same, length is same, clear, get. Okay, for example, here dictionary is there. A is my dictionary. What it is given?
It's an error.
1000 key is not there in my list. What happened? If you
Yes.
call the key with help of the get, if it is there, it will get. If it is not there, it doesn't throw any error. Where is the same kind of phenomena we observed previously? Discard.
Discard and remove.
Okay. Discard and remove.
Yes.
Pop. This also will remove the same thing. Okay. Pop C. Now, what is my dictionary? My dictionary is A. I am removing key 1. You see what happened?
It remove.
Here, what you need to give? Previously, you given index. After that, you don't given anything. Now, you need to give an
key.
Need the
key.
Key.
Now, see, pop item. In pop item, you don't need to mention anything. Defaultly, it will take one arbitrary value. Okay. Like a pop in set.
set.
Okay. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Copy is same thing, and update is also the same thing. And these are the things here. These are the things which are related to dictionary, apart from the comprehensions and all those things. Please try to practice it.
In this dictionary, if we give that A of 1, then is equal to 100 means it will change the value of the key 1, right?
Sorry, what you are asking? Just ask.
So if we give the A of that, if we specify that 20 3 is equal to 5 means it will change the value 3 to 5, right? No, sir. A of 23 here it is showing. I got it. 3, 5.
If it is not there, if
It
it
will
is not
create
there,
it.
it will create. If it
If
is
it is
already there, it will exist to that. It will update that key value to the new value.
okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please try to spend 2 or 3 hours to revise all those concepts this weekend. Why? Because we're going to complete it, and if you have any doubts or any clarifications, just let me know. We'll discuss. Up to now, each and everyone are clear,
Yes, sir.
or anyone are facing difficulty to understand.
So clear function will also work as same.
Yes.
Okay.
Is it clear? Anyone are feeling any doubts at any instances?
Sir, can you use that? Can you show me the split in tuple, sir? Split. If you are giving a string in tuple, like
Okay, right.
A is equal to.
This is a tuple, right?
Yeah.
Which is separated with help of comma.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am taking a string.
Yeah.
Okay. Now see a dot split.
Yes, sir. So it is showing in that bracket, right? That
List. This is a list.
that's
And
what.
this is splitted whenever it is identified space,
Space.
it is
Okay.
splitted that particular part. Why? Because just you see the arguments. Separator is none. It is defaultly it will take space. For example, I'm including commas. My data is come defaultly like this only.
Sir, why it is showing in that list, sir?
That is the functionality, yeah. That is the functionality. To separate, we are separating, we are splitting the big data. For example, you have a log which contains username, date, all those X, Y, Z in a single line. If you want to separate the data, what you'll do? You need to identify one separator, and based on that, you need to separate the data and you need to divide the data. If it is a list, this is the list. Now it is maybe this is a username, this is a login time, this is a day, this is the IP address, like that.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Okay, separator is nothing but I'm using this. See,
Yeah, it's comment.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, clear. Is it clear?
In the same things are in tuple, we can use the index, but in the set, can we use the index or no, right?
Set is an unordered one.
Yeah, that's okay.
So that is the reason we are not able to use pop in a proper way. We are using pop, but it is removing arbitrary one.
Yeah.
Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
I'm expecting you'll practice all those things which we discussed up to now. Otherwise, the functions and looping concepts will be control flow will be a little difficult for you. If you want time, I'll give. If you want time
Good.
to practice, revise the concepts, I'll give. But the iteratives, I mean to say like flow controls and functions is a very important concept, and these are completely depends on all the basic parts, data types and structures and removing, adding elements.
So, just can you show an example of taking input of bool, like and when we say input enter a number, then if we try with bool,
What is the result you will get if you are given true?
one.
Okay. What is the default number system of Python?
String.
Huh?
String.
Default number system of Python.
It's decimal.
Decimal,
Decimal, right?
decimal, right?
Hmm.
Yes. Now see. What is the result I'll get now? When this particular topic we discussed, you remember the topic name?
Cast.
Typecasting. Converting one form to another form. If anything is there, at least if anything is there, it is true. Zero and nothing is called false.
False.
We discussed or not?
Yes, we discussed, sir. Yes.
For me, it was showing two.
Okay, clear? If you're facing any doubts, please post it in the group. The weekend itself, I'll be available, right? I'll try to answer your questions if you are not able to answer among yourselves. But you need to revise all these concepts. Hmm. And if you have any doubts, just post it your doubts in the group here. I'm going to say like, it will be in my radar, and whenever I'm going to start the class, I'll clear all those doubts. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So,
Can you please confirm me the file you got or not?
Yes, sir. We got it.
Okay. Please be active in the group. If you're facing any difficulty, I'll set up a meeting for you. In the Saturday and Sunday, if you have any doubts, we'll set one time and we'll connect. The people who are practicing on the weekends if possible. Okay?
sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.